Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for coming. You are the first to see Hit Me Hard and Soft, the tour, live in 3D on the big screen. Enjoy the show.
Right.